beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. This video was actually very much requested in a lot of my recent fitness videos, so I thought I would bring it to you guys, and I've been telling a bunch of you that it will be coming soon. It is finally here, and that is how to gain weight. So how to gain weight, how to become fit, put more muscle mass on, all of that. So if you're someone that struggles with being underweight because there's various different reasons, some of us have very fast metabolisms and it's really hard to put on weight, keep it on, and also to build muscle and just kind of fill out your body a little bit more. So these are going to be my healthy tips on how to gain more weight and have a healthy lifestyle as well. Thumbs it up if you guys like this and want more videos like this. I'd love to do it. I do so many how to lose weight videos or just fitness type videos, so I'll link all those down below in the playlist. So I thought I would do the opposite and teach you guys some of my top tips on how I gained weight and put more muscle mass onto my body. I hope this is useful for a bunch of you guys, as well as I just want to give my post notification shout out, which goes to, and my Instagram shout out goes to. So thank you guys so much. I love you so much. And if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is turn on the post notification, comment with the hashtags post notification squad either on my YouTube or head over to my Instagram, follow and comment that, and I may shout you out next. But that being said, let's just sip it and get into the tips. The first tip I have for you is to add more calories into your diet. This does not mean adding a bunch of junk food into your diet such as soda and donuts, although your girl does like a good donut, but that is just not the way to go because you're just going to get more unhealthy belly fat instead of putting that balanced muscle mass that you want on your body. As well as eating a complete junk is just going to destroy your health. Just because someone may be extremely thin doesn't necessarily mean it correlates to being healthy, which I think a lot of people just assume that if someone's skinnier that they are more healthier. But if someone is skinny and eating like complete crap and they just have a very fast metabolism, they're not going to be as healthy as someone that's more overweight but eats really clean and lives a really healthy, balanced lifestyle. It's important to focus on how to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Like I said, you're going to have to add more calories into your diet. Of course, if you just eat the same amount of calories as you burn in the day, you're not going to gain any weight. You're just going to stay consistent. The way to do that is to add more meals and snacks throughout your day. So typically we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we may have a snack in there. That is just seen as the typical amount of meals per day. But something I suggest is to have 5 to 6 smaller meals through the day, and you can throw in a couple snacks within the day. Like I said, it's really important to add more calories, but it's important to add healthy calories into your diet. What I mean by that is adding in proteins, healthy fats, healthy carbs. All of that is really going to make a difference. Muscle is made of protein, so it's important to add in more protein into your diet. A lot of high protein foods include meat, eggs, fish, and nuts. There's other obviously options that have high protein, but if you're obviously trying to gain muscle mass, gain more weight, it's important to add protein and finding out how much protein is good for your body size, because if you have too much of anything, it's not going to be healthy. It's all about moderation and knowing what works with your body type, your body size, all of that, as well as adding in those healthy carbs and healthy fats. So carbs can be things such as sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, whole grain bread. Healthy fats can be things such as nuts, olive oil, a bunch of that. So it's really about finding all those healthy options. A lot of people stray away from carbs and fats because they think that's not good for you, it's really bad for you. Just depends on what kind of carbs and what kind of fats you're putting into your diet. Like I said, squeezing in more meals through the day and even having maybe a little small meal or a snack before you go to bed, because of course if you're trying to lose weight, you should cut off your eating like a few hours before you go to bed. But if you're obviously trying to gain weight, it's not that bad to eat a meal a bit before you're obviously going to bed. It's kind of uncomfortable to eat a meal and then go to bed like 5 seconds later. When you're near the time of going to bed, you can always just grab a snack, eat it, and you don't have to worry really. Speaking of meals, another suggestion I have is to add more calories into your meals. So whenever you're getting those meals, think of a way that you can bump up the calories. Like if you want fruit or something like that, such as a banana or apples, you can have it with some peanut butter. You can spread peanut butter on it or dip peanut butter with it, because that's going to add some healthy fats and more calories calories into your snack that you were gonna have. Another suggestion I have for you, if you're just having like vegetables, adding a little bit of olive oil, it's gonna add more healthy fat as well. So it's just gonna bump up the calorie counts. If you're having sandwiches, you can add more things into your sandwiches. That's gonna make it larger calorie count. Another thing is if you're having salads, you can throw in an egg. You can also throw in nuts, chia seeds. You can go crazy with it, just adding a bunch more toppings onto your actual foods and trying to think of ways to bump up the calories is really great as well. Before you go to the gym, it's important to eat a meal and then also eat a meal after the gym. So before you go to the gym, obviously don't have a meal and then go straight to the gym. You have to wait till your food digests and all that, but a bit before you're going to the gym, have a meal, and then when you come home, have a meal. And of course, when you're coming home from a good workout, make sure that you're having a meal that has protein in it. Because like I said, your muscles are made of protein. If you're trying to build muscle, it's important to have protein after you work out. That's why you see so many fitness people have protein shakes and stuff like that after they're working out. I personally haven't really gotten that much into like the whole protein shake thing. I like to just have protein, whether it's chicken or meat, or I'll have eggs or some peanut butter. Those are good sources of protein. You can of course make those shakes if you would like to, but that's just something I haven't really gotten that much into. So it's really important, of course, when you're going to the gym, you're gonna be burning a lot, and you want to also add back in those calories, because you're gonna lose weight if you're burning more than what you're eating. Like I said, in order to make sure that the excess calories that you're having go to your muscles instead of your fat cells, it's really important to lift weights and to weight train. That is doing things with the dumbbells, doing things with the machines. And I go to the gym, I enjoy going to the gym, and I find it's convenient because they have all the equipment there. So I like to do a lot of weight training there. You can use their dumbbells, you can use machines at the gym. My suggestion is to at least try to go to the gym 2 to 4 times a week. I like going to the gym Monday to Fridays and actually taking off Saturday and Sunday so I can relax. I find that works for me. I like to go always in the morning if I can and to get it over with, but it's really up to how you're gonna fit it into your schedule. So planning when you can work out is really gonna make sure that you're getting in those workouts and you're being consistent as well. Lifting heavy and trying to increase your weight over time is gonna help build volume onto your body. It's just really important to take it easy on the cardio and to focus more on your weights right now. And one thing I have to say is, if you're trying to gain weight and put more muscle on, you want to do heavier weight. So if you're trying to just tone and slim down, doing less weight but more reps is going to make you more toned. But if you're trying to gain more mass onto your body and gain more weight, you want to do heavier weights and keep increasing your weights up. However, this does not mean go to the gym and just do weights that you're going to hurt your body or you're gonna strain something because you don't necessarily know how to do it and it's way too heavy for you. You have to obviously begin with something that's going to work with you at first, and then you can build up. And after you keep doing the same workout over and over again, you're going to be able to do heavier weights. You're gonna notice that you're getting stronger at the gym and you're going to increase your weight. This is really great if you're trying to put on that muscle mass onto your body and you're trying to gain weight, is to do just heavier weights over time and build your muscles. This is what has worked for me. When I was in high school, I wasn't as toned and I didn't have as much muscle mass to me. And as you guys can see through these pictures, I've definitely gained a lot more muscle on my body. And these are the things that I really started to implement into my diet. My whole health journey has been completely a roller coaster from when I was in high school trying to learn about health until now. I definitely have learned a lot more and know what's a lot more healthy to do, because I've definitely made mistakes through the road, and I'm always learning about fitness and health because it's something I've always loved and been interested in. If you guys want to hear my whole fitness journey through the years, I definitely could do a video on that and tell you guys kind of the struggle points of my fitness journey and the better points of my fitness journey. I'd love to do that if that's something you're interested in. Thumbs it up if you are. These are more recent photos of my body transformation now. I've definitely put a lot more muscle onto my body, and it's something that I've always wanted to just have more of a toned body. If you have any questions or want to know anything else, I could definitely do that. But I do a lot of come to the gym with me videos. I'm actually have already done 2 or 3 by the time this video goes up. So if you guys want to see what I do for a leg day, an ab day, a back day, then definitely check my description box, because I'll have all those come to the gym with me videos. I think those would be really useful for you if you're trying to gain weight as well and build that muscle onto your body. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was useful. Thumbs it up if you liked it, as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're part part of the Nicolette's Fam Gym because your girl uploads every Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays, and as well as don't forget to turn that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this, and so it goes on your notification feed because you know what? Sometimes YouTube be cray. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!